Besides spreading the gospel and spending time in prayer, the church is also called to be charitable by supporting the sick, the poor, and the afflicted through the corporal and spiritual works of mercy. During these trying days, many have suffered losses in various forms and degrees, be it death of a loved one, unemployment, reduced salary, and many other trials. La Inmaculada Concepcion Parish reached out to their surrounding villages that were afflicted by the lockdown and flooding. It took the parish about a week and a half to collect and organize donations in the form of food and supplies, and then delivered the food baskets with the help of 30 or more parishioners who worked tirelessly. As spokesperson of the parish said, "We deliver to these communities without bearing in mind the person's religion, creed, or race, but rather on the genuine necessity of the person. So far, they went on 3 food drives each time to different areas in Orange Walk. On the first drive, with the generous donation of the faithful, they went to deliver the food baskets to the following communities: San Roman, Douglas, Santa Cruz, and in Orange Walk town. These were the areas in need due to the flooding and economic strain from the lockdown during the COVID-19 pandemic. On the second food drive, they went to deliver the food baskets at Santa Martha and Guinea Grass as carefully and safely as possible, since these are the villages that were affected by the pandemic. This food drive was done with the generous donation from the Diocese of Belize and Belmopan. On the third food drive, they went specifically to San Felipe that suffered a shortage of food and supplies because of the quarantine that was imposed on them, which made it difficult for basic goods to be transported there. Nevertheless, the church saw the need of these ailing communities and subsequently answered the call to serve, especially now when we are seeing families having very little to survive upon. That is why the faithful of La Inmaculada Parish does not stop there, as they are considering and continuing these food drives to keep helping the villages and the main town that are economically running aground. However, not only is there a cry of help from these destitute in Orange Walk, but also in all the districts of Belize. In these difficult times, may we not fall into despair, but be filled with hope and joy of our risen Lord, and let us be considerate of others in the area where we live and seek to serve them in any way possible with love and compassion.